Welcome to Return Path. So, when was the last time you felt guilty? Or are you still carrying some guilt? If yes, then this video is a must watch for you. Most of the people at some point of their life have been conditioned to feel guilty. This guilt comes to us from our parents, society, culture, religion, because consciously or unconsciously they taught us to feel guilty for thinking or acting in a certain way. Guilt is a very, very private but very uncomfortable feeling which we experience when we do something wrong. It may not have necessarily hurt anybody, but we have been made to believe that that was not correct. So, in short, guilt is actually a byproduct of our actions which is in conflict with our own or some externally imposed moral code of conducts. But guilt is the only feeling which actually burdens our soul. There was a time, when the guilt was used as a tool to keep us moral, obey certain rules and regulations, and it was also used to manipulate someone's behavior, which was interlinked with certain externally imposed code of conduct. But in this competitive, ambition driven culture, what I see is that we feel guilty for so many things. Working mothers, they feel guilty for not giving enough time at family. Non-working mothers, they feel guilty, maybe they are setting up a wrong example for her kids. Somebody who's trying to lose weight, they feel guilty if they miss out on the gym or eat that extra slice of that cake. So there are many reasons to feel guilty, but on a broader scale, we see that our family, our society, our culture, and our religion, they play a big role to make us feel guilty. Parents, because you see that if you're living away from your parents or grandparents, they make you feel guilty by saying that, oh, you don't call us, you call us only once a week, we have done so much for you. The kids, they manipulate you by making you feel guilty that maybe you're not doing enough for them, because that may not be their intention, but they want their things to be done. So they use this tactic. Our culture plays a big role because, in our Eastern society, if somebody if somebody makes love with someone before marriage, he or she is made to feel guilty, and unfortunately if he gets married to the some other person, it will be a big issue. Also our society, because since childhood we have been conditioned to believe and to seek approval of others, what others think about us. So when we do something which conflicts with the behavior of others or the acceptance by the large number of people, the society, we believe that we have done something wrong and that makes us feel guilty. Also the religion, because when we do something which is not in the line of the teaching of our religion we follow, we feel guilty. The only positive side of the guilt that I see is that somewhere it gives us a chance to improve ourselves, to work on the mistakes that we did. Otherwise, the fact of the matter is that we cannot undo our actions, we cannot take back our words. At the most, what we can do to overcome guilt is that we can apologize, repent, regret, or we will heal over the time. Also, we should not try to be a perfectionist, because we should only take that much as much we can handle. For example, if your kid is very demanding of your time or your boss is very demanding of your work and you are giving your best effort, then realize it is their expectation. It is not your problem. So don't feel guilty of certain situations like this. And also, in Buddhism, they don't encourage the concept of guilt. They make us believe that, you are responsible for all your actions, words, and thoughts. And if you take full responsibility of these three, there will be no scope of feeling guilty. Remember that we cannot remain happy pretending to be living someone else's life. We need to set our own beliefs, our own limitations, our own principles, and we then need to learn to live by those principles. Because the moment we try to live by certain principles or rules or code of conduct, decided by some external forces, there will be conflict, and that will make us feel guilty. The most important thing that I want to convey through this video is that the nature, we may call it universe or God, the nature doesn't care about the moral code of conduct. It is all man-made. What the nature cares about is that we grow, we evolve, we do our duties sincerely without hurting others. So learn to live in the moment. And if you have an opportunity, go and apologize to people. Don't feel guilty, because you did your best at that particular given time. If you like this video, please leave your comments and please subscribe to my channel. I come up with video every week. Till we meet next, stay happy, be grateful. Namaste.